Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. Next unit, unit number 6, matter and materials. In this unit, we are going to understand the states of matter and the material that is from the matter. So, first is atoms and molecules on page number 42. Atoms and molecules. What are atoms? Atoms are tiny particles that are undivisible. Particle is a word used to describe what small things mean a small object. So question number 1, what are atoms? Atoms are teeny particles. And what does particle word used for? It is used to describe very small thing. Next, describe the structure of atom. Here in this figure you can see that an atom having nucleus in the center, this is nucleus, and contain two particles, proton and neutron, and electron revolve around the atom. So question is, describe the structure of atom. An atom has a nucleus which has particles known as proton, neutron and electron. On page number 43, next concept is define molecules. A molecule is a particle made up of two or more atoms. If two atoms join, they will form a molecule. For example, this is the formula of water molecule, in which two hydrogens and one oxygen join together and they form a molecule, and its formula is H2O. Now question number 4, define molecules. A molecule is a particle made up of two or more atoms. Dear students, next question, define the states of matter. As anybody know that there are three types of matter: gas, solid and liquid. And here in this figure you can see the arrangements of particles of solid, liquid and gas. Solid particles are tightly packed, having no space in them. Liquid particles are loosely packed, having some space in them, and gas particles have lots of space and they can move freely here and there. Now look at this question. Draw three diagrams showing particles are packed within a solid, liquid and gas. And the answer is on this page. These are the three diagrams: particles of solid, particles of liquid and particles of gas. Now draw these diagrams on your notebooks, and this is the answer of this question. Page number 44. Next topic or concept, how matter changes. It means how can matter change from one form to another form? Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible, because the easiest way of changing state of matter through temperature. So the question, how does matter changes from one form to another? The easiest way to do this by changing its temperature. For example, ice is a solid, and when you heat it, it converts into a liquid form. And this liquid can also convert into a gas form. When you heat the water, this happens because when the liquid is boiled, it causes the molecules to move. Here you can see liquid is boiling and molecules freely move from this kettle, freely move from further away to each other. Dear students, not all the matters can change from one form to another form. First, when you stir in a solution of water and sugar, then it is dissolved, and when you heat this water, the solid particles of sugar remains present on the container and liquids evaporate.